our federal clients call Geosyntec to help them with their largest environmental restoration problems. That can include contaminated sites with PFAS, the forever chemical, but it also can include their contaminated sites that are more complex, that are still remaining contaminated from petroleum hydrocarbons, as well as chlorinated solvents that have been around from their legacy sites for 50 years. And we can bring expertise to solve the issues for their complex sites, as well as address the newer contaminants, as, for example, PFAS. Geosyntec helps our federal clients by bringing a fresh perspective to their sites, whether that's for new contaminants or whether that's for their complex sites with more traditional contaminants. We have subject matter experts that are literally writing the guidance documents for our government clients, as well as doing the research, developing new remedial technologies and approaches to solve their issues. One of the differentiators that Geosyntec has in the federal space is that we're still doing research and development to be able to push forward the approaches that are being applied to the sites, to be able to support the government in doing the work and effectively remediating the sites. So one of the things that's exciting about the federal practice is the potential to be able to expand outside of just working within the continental United States. Geosyntec's expanded capabilities in Australia is an area that's going to be very interesting to learn more about and see how we can do more than just environmental remediation work for the federal government.